I have this laptop from a previous failed attempt to install ChromeOS. It already has upgraded storage in the form of an unformatted SSD, but could probably use other upgrades depending on how I want to use it going forward. It's an old and not very powerful laptop, hence the attempt to use ChromeOS, but I'll see what I can do with it next. I did find information on this laptop from my previous video that documents the upgrades I've already added to it. In addition to the SSD, it looks like I've already upgraded the RAM to its maximum of 2GB and also picked up a power adapter, which I remember was missing. The only thing left to replace is the battery. The opening clip showed a brief view of the cracked one I have. I can still power the laptop with just the power adapter and work on the laptop while I order a replacement battery in the meantime. I decided to install Windows XP on this Asus. I figured with only 2GB of RAM, it would be best to install an OS with low resource requirements. I'm not planning on using it myself, but I will try to pass it on to a family with younger kids who can make use of it for simple tasks. It's been more than a decade since I've installed XP, but a lot of this is looking familiar. This time-lapse should be about 20 seconds longer if you want to fast forward to the end of the install. I'm glad recycling this laptop didn't encounter any major problems, considering how old this laptop is. I'm not showing it in this video since this is easy enough to do on your own, but I'm also picking up a replacement laptop battery and CMOS battery from eBay. Replacing the CMOS battery does require some dismantling, which is covered in this video, but it sits under the keyboard shielding to the left of the keyboard. It's an easy teardown, which should take about 30 minutes if you take your time. If you have any questions or comments about the EEE PC, leave them in the comments section down below. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.